Hello, dear friends, and welcome to Golden Rest Guide. If you've been waking 2 or 3 times a night and wondering why your bladder won't let you sleep, this message is for you. Sometimes the difference between tossing and turning and sleeping peacefully through the night is as simple as choosing the right fruit at the right time. Think of your evening as a gentle landing, light dinner, calm mind, and a bladder that waits patiently until morning. But after 60, our bodies become a little more sensitive. Digestion slows, and the nerves around the bladder grow more alert, so even half a cup of urine can feel like an urgent alarm. That's why timing and acidity matter, especially after sunset. Let's move from frustration to comfort with a simple plan. 5 fruits that soothe your bladder, and 5 that are better enjoyed earlier in the day. These small changes can make a big difference in how deeply you sleep. First, the bladder soothing team. Fruits that are low in acid, easy to digest, and calming. Number 1 is the ripe room temperature banana. It's rich in minerals that relax the muscles of your bladder, preventing those unnecessary nighttime signals. Eat it in the late afternoon or about an hour after an early dinner. Ripe, not mushy, and never cold. Number 2 is papaya, which many overlook. Its natural enzymes make dinner easier to digest, relieving pressure around the bladder. Choose a soft orange slice around 7 p.m. and enjoy it at room temperature. Number 3 is the humble pear. Its gentle fiber keeps your digestion smooth, and when your belly feels comfortable, your bladder rests quietly too. Eat 1 pear in the mid-afternoon with the skin washed and chewed slowly. Number 4 is guava, slightly firm, never overripe. It's refreshing without the sharp acidity of citrus, making it a kind friend to the bladder. Have one around 4 or 5 p.m., plain and simple, without salt or spices. And number 5 is watermelon. While it's hydrating and soothing, it's best enjoyed earlier in the day, before 2 p.m., so you're not adding extra fluid close to bedtime. Now let's talk about the fruits that might be causing trouble at night. Citrus fruits like oranges and sweet limes are wonderful for your immune system, but their acid can irritate the bladder in the evening. Pineapple, though rich in enzymes, can make your intestines more active at night, creating pressure near the bladder. Grapes, while small and sweet, can ferment in the stomach when digestion is slower, leading to gas and that uncomfortable feeling of fullness that presses on your bladder. Mixed citrus juices, like orange, lemon, kiwi, can overload your system with acidity and sugar right before bedtime, causing frequent bathroom trips. And finally, raw tomatoes, especially in salads, contain acids that can irritate the bladder lining. It's better to eat tomatoes cooked during dinner instead of raw at night. Here's a simple Golden Rest Guide routine you can try for 3 nights. Keep most of your fluids earlier in the day and have your last full glass about 2 hours before bed. Make your fruit time between 4 and 6 p.m. A banana one day, a pear the next, a guava the following. If you enjoy papaya, have a small slice around 7 p.m. after a light dinner. Don't mix fruit with heavy meals. Let your dinner settle first. Keep all citrus, pineapple, grapes, juices, and raw tomatoes for daytime, ideally before 3 p.m. If you crave something warm before bed, sip a few mouthfuls of warm water instead of a full glass. Here's what a restful day might look like. Enjoy watermelon with breakfast, an orange with lunch, and drink most of your water before evening. Around 5 p.m., have a pear or banana, followed by a light dinner. If you wish, finish with a slice of papaya and let your evening stay calm and simple. Avoid very cold fruit at night. Skip spicy or salted fruit. Chew slowly and keep fruit separate from milk or yogurt. Gentle walking or light stretching during the day also supports digestion and reduces nighttime urgency. If you try this routine for 3 nights, watch for these signs. Fewer nighttime trips, less urgency when you do wake, and a more peaceful return to sleep. Many seniors notice changes as early as the 2nd night. If you take medications or manage fluid-sensitive conditions, adjust portions with care and always listen to your body. The heart of Golden Rest Guide is not strict rules, but gentle awareness, small changes that bring calm and comfort. You deserve deep, uninterrupted rest. You don't need complex routines or expensive remedies, just wiser timing, softer foods, and a little kindness toward your body. If this message resonates, tell me where you're watching from and what time it is for you right now. Share which fruit you'll try first. and type the word peace in the comments to claim your calm night. If this helped, please subscribe to Golden Rest Guide and tap the bell so you never miss our senior-friendly sleep tips. Share this video with a friend, neighbor, or loved one who wakes often at night. May your evenings be calm, your bladder patient, and your sleep deep and steady.